You're probably wondering why we're wearing at-home leisure suits.
Leisure suits.
and show them what they're going to see.
Well,
you're going to see how we got to this.
Yeah. Enjoy. Okay, so my wife got a new pair of knives.
A pair of knives? So she can do this?
There's a paring knife in the set of knives, so there's actually 3 knives. They're sharp. that's the long and the short of it. Oh man,
the long and the short of it.
Yep. So I cut myself while cleaning them, not while using them.
Watch how we got here. Dorsal surface, and I hate to do this, but I need you to bend it.
I know you do.
As it pops open. And now I need you to extend it. Oh, nice. Let's see how much strength you have with that extension. Oh, what happened there?
Wait. Sorry. You want me to hold it there?
Oh.
I thought you were going down and wanted me to go against
the tendon isn't ruptured.
No, it's not.
Okay.
That would be bad. I will hold it there.
Oh, that's much better.
Yeah.
Than when it just collapsed. Oh my god.
Surprise!
All right, let's.
All right.
And as far as sensation, does it feel nummy to?
I'm a little numb right here. Yeah, just the whole this whole area here.
But here where it matters, where you're going to be able, where you're picking up pins with your. I don't know why people pick up pins, but for some reason you have to be able to feel to pick up pins.
I can feel that.
Okay. Yeah, this here, not as important.
Yep, I can't feel it.
All right, I'm gonna just kind of look.
Make it start bleeding.
Well, look at that! My goodness, you really went across there. Should we measure it?
Probably.
Let's measure. All right,
a centimeter. Where's the end of it?
No, we're going on 15 millimeter there. 14.
Let's go all the way over there.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous just thinking of it. I can do it to anybody else, but
me.
Okay.
Hey, remember, I once took a cyst off your neck.
That's right.
I remember being that nervous.
You know the feeling. This is 2% lidocaine, no epinephrine, but there's some sodium bicarbonate. And somebody might ask, why are you using 2%? It's because it's all we have. Probably because of some kind of shortage. Those things happen. Okay, 2%. So go ahead and bend it. So my strategy is go the proximal side through the wound, not through skin. Let's see what you think of this.
Okay.
And you might go, oh, that wasn't that bad. I don't know. We'll see. Why am I shaking so much? Did I have caffeine today?
No.
Okay. What do you think?
That's tender.
I'm putting in a little bit of lidocaine. Do you want me to try the block instead?
Oh, no, that's fine. I can bear that. That's burning, but...
And I inject
I'm shaking
slowly.
too, by the way.
Oh, I thought it was me.
It's not just you. It's probably me.
Here, let me put my feet flat on the floor.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
now I'm really feeling it.
The plunger started going a little bit more.
It's always different being on this side.
I don't know how you put up with this. I'd have to be put out.
And you need a lot of stuff. I saw that video.
A lot of lidocaine?
No, I was talking about the your colonoscopy video where they gave you a bunch of them.
Oh, that.
And they're just like, just keep giving it to him until his tongue is hanging out of his mouth.
I looked very professional.
Should be pretty
So anybody who's like watching this for instruction on how to do a wound repair, what you're seeing here is that I'm going actually inside of the wound.
Just right inside.
So I don't have to go through skin.
Yeah, because most of the
nerves
endings
are
right
close
on
to the surface.
skin.
So this will
under that we can take away a little bit of this.
it'll hurt less. I don't know what Dr. Gawayne thinks of that now that he's experienced it.
Well, you feel the burning of the medication as it goes in.
But not the poke of the needle.
But not the poke of the needle, that's true.
More lidocaine. Good.
You're not going to overdo it. Yeah,
I'm not going to cause seizures or arrhythmias.
But wait. It's
situation.
tight now.
The best thing you can do is the best thing you can do is irrigate.
Yep.
And it doesn't have to be sterile, although this is.
Yeah, this is.
Just volume of saline or water or whatever it is you're irrigating with. Yeah. So even if it's tap water, that's better than not irrigating. And in fact, it would be better than doing a bunch of antisepsis on the outside of the wound. Where are the gloves for people with tiny hands? No, this one's only rights.
Wait, what? Sterile R.
It's just an R.
What?
It's just a right. Oh, one pair.
I was gonna say, the R's regular? Sterile ridiculous? I don't know what the R stands for.
I'm a 7 long.
It's 7 right? It's not the length, it's the girth. You're a 7 right?
Read my
7 wide.
I could never be elected president because I wear 7s.
Oh man.
It's barely even through the skin. Look at that.
Oh, if you open it up,
All right, I will.
it goes down. See?
I don't see any foreign material in there.
There shouldn't be.
I can't pull it open this way.
Yeah, that's pretty tight. It goes down in there though. Barely through the skin. It didn't hit any ligaments or tendons. I mean,
I don't see any.
that's good. Good news.
How many stitches do you want?
Enough? Isn't that the answer?
Well, you have to brag about how many stitches.
35.
It took 35 stitches. The doctor put 35
Oh,
stitches.
my finger.
In my finger.
That would be impressive.
Wait, why did you? I had that clean. Why did you bleed?
Well, you know.
Okay. What?
You made me open it and then you probed
Yeah.
it. You probed. That's what you get for probing.
I'm just gonna do this.
Throw one in the middle there.
Oh, I thought it was at the end. Do you want it to come out the other side?
That's probably a good plan.
Does it look like it's about the same distance from each side of the wound?
More or less. Remember, approximate. Don't strangulate.
Right.
We're teaching here. What does that mean?
Means don't get it too tight. Just
Means when
bring
he
them together.
pulls it through. We're just holding this together. We're not cinching down this knot.
I'm gonna put another one. Are you sure you want me doing this?
I don't know. I'm having second thoughts. Where are you going?
Let's. What? Where am I going?
How far down are you going there? No, I guess that's good.
So at this point, it would be a good plan to just wrap it up in gauze and walk over to the emergency department. Well, my partner started repairing.
Oh man, you would never be able to show your face.
Is Dr. Saria on duty?
In the physician lounge again.
I need a surgeon. We should have Zaria watch this.
Oh man, he'll.
Oh,
I'm sure
can you
he'll have
imagine what he would say about my technique?
all sorts of comments on your suture technique.
Oh, man. All right. I think we're headed to 3. That's what I'm thinking. We'll go like that. So we'd like to thank people who helped bring this to you, like Lindsay Antwine.
Who is now Patreon of
I saw that.
Dr. Greenlight as well.
So we thank Lindsay Antwine, who's on Patreon. You too can have your name mentioned in videos
Yes.
at patreon.com/Dr. Vaughn. Probably have the link somewhere. It's in the description.
Is there going to be an unedited cut for the Patreons for this? Probably.
Would that be better?
with the inappropriate banter.
I lost count because you had me laughing so hard.
Yep.
That's fine.
Just keep going.
Just keep going. Just keep throwing.
That's what I do. Until it looks like it's about enough. Pretty.
Alrighty. I get to have
Bad
what's in
that I
there.
can't feel my finger. No, that's what's supposed to happen.
There's worse appendages to not be able to feel. I know what they're
See,
going to
now
say.
it looks pretty for a Instagram photo. No, just kidding.
Yeah. It's now, what, 4 or 5 days?
4 or 5 days. 7 days?
Really?
It's been a week.
Okay. How time flies when you have senile. So we're going to go ahead and take out some sutures. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, that one came out nice.
Almost like the doctor knew what he was doing. All right, here we go. Another one. Am I yanking too much on you?
No, it's fine.
All right. You're so easygoing. And there it is.
There it is.
Nice.
Okay, so
Bend it.
yeah, look at that. Look at that. I can't take credit for that healing. Our bodies are amazing.
Yeah, until the
All the sutures did was just hold the sides
Yep.
together while the body healed.
Got a nice numb area right there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna take
But we have it documented on video that was numb before repair.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us for Dr. Gawayne's suture removal.
Yeah.
Kind of completes the whole thing, puts it together. And I will say it because somebody pays for it. Thank you, Lindsay and and everybody else. So, Dr. Gawayne and Dr.
Yep.
Dunn telling all of you to stay in good
Help.
health. Yeah.